Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to solve this integral over here, that is 1 divided by x plus x ki power 8 into d of x. As we look at this expression over here, that is 1 divided by x plus x ki power 8, you can see that this is a rational expression, and what we can do is, one thing in my mind is simply that we can convert this into partial fraction and then try to find out the integral. So if I try to convert this into x plus x ki power 8 into partial fraction, this will be like if I take x as common, this will be 1 plus x ki power 7. But keep this thing in your mind that we don't need to take x as common, or we don't need to convert this into a partial fraction, but this is a possibility that we can convert this into partial fraction to solve this integral. But there is a much easier method to solve this integral. Like what we can do is x plus x ki power 8, what we can do is we can take common x ki power 8, the larger value, if you have an integral like x1 divided by x ki power 1 plus x ki power 8, x ki power 9 or x ki power 10, then try to find out the biggest value. If x ki power 8 is the highest power, then take x ki power 8 as common. If x ki power 7 is the highest power, take x ki power 7. If x ki power 6 is the highest power, take x ki power 6 as common. So here I will take x ki power 8 as common. What I will get here is, here I will get simply 1, and here I will get simply 1 divided by x plus x ki power 7. So see that if I take the reciprocal, then simply x ki power 8 is a lot of exponent as well, that if I take this value here, I will get x ki power minus 7 plus 1. Now see here that simply what you need to do is, if I try to solve this by substitution method, which is the most easier method, I will substitute this value here as u. If I substitute this value here as u, I need an expression like if I take the derivative of this x ki power minus 7 plus 1 8, then I will get x ki power minus 8. That is simply here. Okay, so just we need to solve this as integral of 1 divided by x ki power 8 into x minus 7 plus 1 into d of x. Now if I take this value from denominator to numerator, what I will get is simply integration of x ki power minus 8 divided by x ki power minus 7 plus 1 into d of x. Now this is really simple. What you can do is you can simply let's substitute u is equal to x ki power minus 7 plus 1. So by taking the derivative, as this is the property that we need to take the derivative, if I take the derivative of this, du is equal to minus 7 into x ki power minus 8, simply is a derivative into d of x. So you can see that this x ki power minus 8, this x ki power minus 8 is here, and what I need is I need minus 7. I need minus 7 here with x ki power minus 8. So to get minus 7, I will simply multiply and divide it, this expression or this x ki power minus 8 with simply minus 7. So if I multiply this with minus 7 and divide with minus 7, what I will get minus 7 here, minus 7 into x ki power minus 8 here, simply x ki power minus 7 plus 1 into d of u. Now just this is really simple. Now just you need to substitute the values. This value over here, this value over here, minus 7 x ki power minus 8 into du. This is my dx. Sorry, this is your dx. This is simply your d of u. This is, you can see that this is your d of u. Minus 7 x ki power minus 8 into d of x is your d of u. Now this value x ki power minus 7 plus 1 is simply your u. So just substitute the values. What I will get, 1 divided by x minus 1 over 7 into integration of simply du over u. So now you can see that this is simply really simple. Integration of 1 over u into du is simply natural log. So I will get 1 over 7 into ln u plus c. What is your u? U is simply x ki power minus 7 plus 1. Now substitute the value of u here. You will get minus 1 over 7 ln into x ki power minus 7 plus 1 plus c. So this is how you solve this integral by a much easier method, rather going to solve this integral by partial fractions methods. So even you get different integral like this, where you see that integrals are simply like, if I take another example, 1 divided by x plus x ki power 6. So you just need to take x ki power 6 as common and just follow the process that I've just done or I've just mentioned. So you will end up at getting the result, and this will solve, this will save a lot of your time, and this will solve the integral within the time frame as well. So thank you so much for watching out this video.